yourself like this.
Yes, I do. If I don't, Chili's going to destroy your career. I'd rather face my biggest fear than have that happen.
Thanks, Sally. That means a lot. You're going to sing as beautiful as the sunset out there.
Don't touch my dolphin. I can't believe Chili's forcing Allie to sing on stage and we're not there to see it.
But you're a good friend for wanting to support her.
No. She can have a meltdown and yak on someone in the front row. I don't want to miss that. But yeah, also the support thing.
You could ask for the night off.
That's not how I do things. We need to get fired.
In that case, there's something I have been dying to do.
I can't believe it. You deep fried the entire restaurant. You're fired.
Thanks everybody for coming out. You're about to hear 2 songs. One great one and one terrible one. I'm not going to say which is which. Here to sing the terrible song, Allie Dawson.
Say right, Tiggles.